Hi friends, welcome to Market Analysis channel. On this chart, I will be analyzing Bitcoin. Let me quickly run on how Bitcoin has been performing for some time now, so you can quickly get to the detail of the analysis. At our point 1, Bitcoin established some range and it established a low, but it couldn't make much. It rallied up it a bit, then it dropped below the low when it first crosses the 50-day moving average line, and it came down to 0.2 on our 200-day moving average line. Bitcoin got support at 0.2. It has a little rally. The rally rise to as high as 28,868. Then Bitcoin started ranging for several sections. After it ranged, it break out of that range and it rally a little bit. As it rally a little bit, then Bitcoin hit high of 31,000. Then it dropped back to our 50-day moving average at 0.3. At 0.3, it made a low of 26,942. Then it's rallying up as if it's heading back to the 31,000 at the peak before 0.3. But Bitcoin couldn't rise to the 31,000. It only stopped at 30,036. Then it head down. The prior bar was a down bar. It closes down drastically and it closed below the 50-day average line. That's a very bearish signal. It's not a bullish signal. Let me try to draw a trend line and see levels that Bitcoin has broken so we can know which way Bitcoin is heading at the moment. Where we start our trend line from this zone and we connect it to the low of this price. Here now we can see Bitcoin break below this our upward trend line, and when it break below it at around mid-April, and then it come back to retest the line towards ending of April. Now it's retesting and the line is now acting as a resistance zone. The line is sending Bitcoin downward. At the moment now, Bitcoin is showing a bearish move. Bitcoin is showing a bearish move and we need to watch closely. If you are still holding Bitcoin for the upside, this is 50-day moving average, the black line. We expect a support to bounce from that line. But if Bitcoin is not seeing support, that means Bitcoin will come down to the 200-day moving average line, which is the red line. And from there, it could get a support and continue its rally the same way it get the support at 0.2. So the focus now is that if Bitcoin finally bounce up the black line, which is our 50-day moving average, a rally will resume and it will break above this blue trend line and continue its rally towards 31,000. But if Bitcoin break below this 50-day moving average decisively, then our next focus should be around 200-day moving average, the red line. So at the moment, the bias on Bitcoin is a little bit bearish. Ever since Bitcoin made a high of 31,000, it has not been able to rise above it, and ever since then it's been dangling and making lower prices beyond 31,000. So as the current bias of Bitcoin is bearish now, we need to be very careful, and this is what our focus will be now. If on this black line, which is our 50-day moving average line, it gets a upward bar and the volume supports the bar, then we can know there is a bullish scenario. But if that doesn't happen, we should expect it to come to the 200-day average line at 0.3. That shows there is still going to be few more selling before an uptrend rally will resume. If this analysis really helped you, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question or opinion, drop it on the video comment section. I will be ready to attend to you. Thank you for watching.